Good morning, students. In the last class, three examples completed. Example 9, example 10, example 11 completed. Now write down example 12. What is example 12? Very important model also. Find the centroid of the triangle. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 3, minus 5, minus 7, 4, minus 7, 4 and 10, minus 2. So that is problem number 12, example 12. So find the centroid of the triangle. You know the information about centroid. The point of congruency of medians of a triangle is centroid. Centroid is the word belongs to triangle, you know it. We can draw three medians for a triangle. All meet at one point. That point is known as centroid. Whose vertices are 3, minus 5, minus 7, 4 and 10, minus 2. So write what is given. Solution given. Name the first point as A, second point as B, third point as C. First one A. 3, minus 5, let it be x1, y1. Second point B, minus 7, 4, let it be x2, y2. Third point C, 10, minus 2, let it be x3, y3. Then information about centroid, you know, formula belongs to centroid. Centroid of ax1, y1, bx2, y2 and cx3, y3 is G equal to, so what is G? Centroid is represented by letter G. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Then substitute all the values. You know all the values. G equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. What is x1? 3. Plus what is x2? Minus 7. Plus what is x3? 10 by 3. What is y1? Minus 5. Plus what is y2? 4. Plus what is y3? Plus minus 2 by 3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 implies G equal to 3. Then do calculations. Plus into minus, minus 7 plus 10 by 3. Then see the second one, minus 5 plus 4 minus 2 by 3. Then G equal to subtraction 3 minus 7 minus 4 plus 10 by 3. Then minus 5 plus 4 minus 1 minus 2 by 3. G equal to, this is how much? 6 by 3 and this is minus 3 by 3. Already we did this model in exercise 7.2 10 sum. So see cancellation 3 2 times, 3 1 time. So what we get? G equal to 2, minus 1. So what is G value? 2, minus 1. Therefore centroid equal to 2, minus 1. This is example 12. This is example 12. So example 12 is about centroid. Centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. You know all the values. Let us do additions and subtractions. We get 6 by 3 minus 3 by 3. 3 2 times, 3 1 time, 2, minus 1. So that is example 12. Now let us see example 13. So what is example 13? Example 13 is in what ratio? Example 13. In what ratio does the point? In what ratio does the point? In what ratio does the point? Does the point? In what ratio does the point minus 4 comma 6 minus 4 comma 6 divide the line segment joining the line segment joining the line segment joining the points, the line segment joining the points is minus 6 comma 10 and B 3 comma minus 8. 3 comma minus 8 question mark. So what is given in the problem? See the problem, what is given in the problem? We need to find out ratio. First of all, we need to find out ratio. First point minus 4 comma 6. Second point minus 6 comma 10. Third point 3 comma minus 8. Totally 3 points are there in the problem. We need to find out ratio. Then what is there in the problem? Minus 4 comma 6. So what is minus 4 comma 6? It is dividing point. Minus 4 comma 6 is dividing point. A is minus 6 comma 10. B is 3 comma minus 8. B value is minus 3 comma minus 8. We need to find out ratio. So here observe one thing. Minus 4 comma 6 is known as dividing point. We need to find out the ratio. Okay na? So solution. Already we covered this model in exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Third one is same model. So given, let us name the first point as, already it is given A minus 6 comma 10, let it be x1 y1. Second point B 3 comma minus 8, let it be x2 y2. Let us name the third point as P. P is a dividing point, minus 4 comma 6. Third one is dividing point, minus 4 comma 6. We need to find out ratio. Ratio, let it be m is to n question mark. So we need to find out ratio m is to n question mark. First point A, let it be x1 y1. Second point B, let it be x2 y2. Let us name the third point as P. It is dividing point, minus 4 comma 6. Ratio m is to n question mark. Then what formula to write, you know? So we have to find out ratio. So what formula we will write here? Again ratio formula only. Right? Ratio formula. The point. Ratio formula. The point which divides. The point which divides ax1 y1 and so the point which divides the line segment joining. The line segment joining. The line segment joining ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 internally in the ratio m is to n. Internally in the ratio m is to n is, so what formula to write? It is known as ratio formula. P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that is known as ratio formula. Then substitute all the values. What is p value? Minus 4 comma 6. Substitute all the values. mx2 we don't know, m and n, right as it is m. What is x2? x2 value 3 plus nx1, n we don't know, minus 6 by m plus n. Then my2, again what is m? M only. What is y2? y2 value minus 8 plus ny1, n. What is y1 value? 10 by m plus n. So value substitution over. Then minus 4 comma 6 equal to, this is m into 3, 3m plus into minus, minus n into 6, 6n by m plus n. Second one, m into minus 8, minus 8m, n into 10, 10n by m plus n. Then observe, left side one ordered pair, right side one ordered pair, both are equal means first coordinate or first element. First element to equal, second element to equal. So equate corresponding elements. Equate corresponding elements. So let us equate corresponding elements. Let us equate first one or second one. So by doing anything you are getting the same answer. Let us equate first or second. I want to equate first one only. So minus 4 equal to 3m minus 6n by m plus n. So I want to equate first element to first element. Then here minus 4 by 1. Do cross multiplication. What we get? 3m minus 6n with 1 means 3m minus 6n. Minus 4 with m plus n. Minus 4 into m plus n. 3m minus 6n multiply with minus 4. Minus 4 into m. Minus 4m. Minus into plus. Minus 4 into n, 4n. Then subtract, terms are moving. Minus 6n is moving to right side. Minus 4m is moving to left side. So 3m plus 4m equal to minus 4n plus 6n. So what we get? 7m equal to 2n. 7m equal to 2n. Now 7 is moving to right side, 2 is moving to left side. Then what we will write? N is moving to left. So m by n equal to 2 by 7. M by n equal to 2 by 7. So divided by means ratio. M is to n equal to 2 is to 7. M is to n equal to 2 is to 7. See again, what is given? 3 points are given. First point A, minus 6 comma 10, let it be x1, y1. Second point B, 3 comma minus 8, let it be x2, y2. Let the third point be P, minus 4 comma 6. Ratio m is to n, question mark. Ratio formula, right? Substitute all the values. Now equate corresponding elements. Let us equate first element to first element. Minus 4 by 1 equal to 3m minus 6n by m plus n. Let us do cross multiplication. Minus 4 with the m plus n. Let us remove bracket, multiply with the minus. Minus 4 into m, minus 4m, minus into plus, minus 4 into n, 4n. Minus 6n is moving to right side. Minus 4m is moving to left side. So 3m plus 4m equal to minus 4n plus 6n. Now 7m equal to 2n. 7 is moving to right side, n is moving to left side. M by n equal to 2 by 7. M is to n equal to 2 is to 7. So by equating second elements also, we get the same answer. Okay, in the next class, we see the remaining examples, and HW is do the same two examples again, each one time. In the next class, we see the remaining examples. Thank you, students.